Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss about the inflammation steps. Basically, the inflammatory process is a vital part of the body's immune response to injury or infection. Let's talk about the inflammation steps in detail. The first step is recognition of injury. In this step, the process begins when the body detects tissue damage, pathogens, or other foreign substances. Cells called macrophages, dendritic cells, and mast cells are among the first responder, sensing these threats through receptors that recognize specific molecules as with injury or infection. After this, upon detection of the threat, these immune cells release chemical mediators such as histamines, prostaglandins, leukotrienes, and cytokines. These mediators serve various purposes, including increasing blood flow to the affected area, enhancing vascular permeability, and attracting other immune cells to the site of the injury. Histamines and other mediators cause blood vessels to dilate and become more permeable. This allows more blood to flow to the affected area, bringing with it oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells, while also allowing immune cells to exit the blood stream and enter the tissue to combat the threat. White blood cells, particularly neutrophils and monocytes, are attracted to the site of injury by chemotaxis factors released by damaged cells and other immune cells. Neutrophils are the first responder and are quickly recruited to the site of injury. Neutrophils and macrophages engulf and destroy pathogens, dead cells, and other debris through a process called phagocytosis. This helps to eliminate the source of infection or injury. Once the threat has been neutralized and inflammatory mediators are released to dampen the inflammatory response, macrophages play a crucial role in the phase by removing dead cells and debris and promoting tissue repair and regeneration. Fibroblasts produce collagen, a key component of the scar tissue, to repair damaged tissue. The inflammatory response gradually resolves as the threat is eliminated and tissue repair progresses. Immune cells undergo apoptosis and excess inflammatory mediators are degraded from the body. As tissue repair completes, the affected area returns to its normal function. In some cases, such as chronic inflammation or extensive tissue damage, healing may be incomplete, leading to the formation of scar tissue and long-term impairment of the function.